girl Marcita B here, and you know how when your mama or your grandmama used to tell you how a hard head made for a soft behind, but you still did whatever you wasn't supposed to anyway. That's kind of how I feel with purchasing another of the Zury Naturally Star V.8.9.10 one-pack solution. This time they're brand new Afro twists. This hair looks really nice on my mannequin, not so much on the kid. Now this texture is commonly what's referred to as Marley hair, which I've never really liked that much on myself. Does look really good on other people. And I was excited about the style because it very closely resembles Rastafari's Awa Curl, which they had only in weaving until recently. I saw that they were bringing it out in crochet, but haven't been able to find it in Crochet Braids anywhere yet. So when this came out, I was like, oh yeah, gotta get some of that because it looked just like the Awa Curl. But I'm a little disappointed. On top of that, usually I've found with the one pack enough you have hair left over. Not in this case. There were 20 strands in each of the 3 bundles, and I did have to cut the last 5 strands just to be able to complete my little unit in the front. Could have done with about an extra 5 strands per bundle. On the positive side, this hair was super fast to install. Actually, to create my wig, probably to install in Crochet Braids will be fast. Also, only took me about, I don't know, an hour or so, hour and a half at best. And love Zury's color options. They always have some very nice combos. This is the 30-33 and some nice sombres, and the price is still right. This was only $11.99 a pack, one pack solution on Glamoutress, who, shout out by the way, ship my hair with a quickness. That is my quick look at the new Zury Afro twist from their V.8.9.10 collection, and have to say I'm still not listening to my mama because they have another new style, the Congo curl, I believe it's called, that's coming out, and I'm gonna get some of that too. So stay tuned for that report. Until then, YouTube, Marcita B is out of here. You know what I always say before I leave. Thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. You be safe. Take care, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.